Hi guys, this is Short. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY Detail rinseless wash. I will use it for pre-wash, I will use it for contact wash, and I will even use it to clean the polishing pads. This one also you need to use the same way as the previous version, 256 to 1, so you need to use only a little bit. That's what I'm going to do. Obviously I tried the previous version and I really liked it. I'm looking forward to this new version. What I can tell in advance that I really like the smell of it, but about that later on. Let's roll.
Got the neighbors sitting, knocking on the floor. Got the neighbors sitting, knocking. Got the neighbors sitting.
Back my body. All night long, we got it going on. The dance goes on, we got it going on. I'm in here and I move with my body, move with my body. What I would do for you. 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 What I would do, I would do. What I would do for you. What I would do for you. What I would do for you.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the DIY Detail Rinse Less Wash version 2. Not the older one, it's the new version. Scent-wise, I'm not sure what it is, but it's very nice, refreshing, like a fruit scent. It's really nice, which is not a disadvantage when you work around the car, if it has a nice smell. Other than that, when I used it as a pre-wash, I could see that it started to dissolve some of the dirt, obviously not everything. So it was still asking for a contact wash. At the contact wash phase, obviously I could remove the rest of the dirt. It gave a nice lubrication to the surface. I used it to clean the polishing pad. It was nicely cleaning the pad throughout the polishing of the car, and also I used it to remove the polishing compound, and even for that purpose it was working fine. So all in all, I can hands-on hard recommend. It's a good stuff as usual. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.